Meaning of liver fluke.
Liver fluke.
Liver fluke.
Liver fluke.
Liver fluke. Liver fluke refers to a parasitic flatworm that infects the liver of various animals, including sheep, cattle, and humans. The liver fluke has a complicated life cycle, involving freshwater snails and vegetation, and is commonly found in areas with wet soil and high rainfall. When consumed by a host animal, typically through contaminated water or vegetation, the liver fluke can cause various health problems such as liver damage, anemia, and digestive issues. It is important to take preventative measures to avoid infection with liver flukes, such as maintaining good hygiene and avoiding consumption of contaminated water and vegetation.